You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything.
Ano nga pala?
Behind the scenes.
Play na ba yan?
Mami, ingat ka dyan ha.
Mafi, happy,
Happy first anniversary.
happy first pregnancy. Oh my God! May camera! Ano ba ito? Artista pala kami. Mafi, kung makakalimutan yung mga, mga papauwi namin sa'yo. Ay, Diyos ko, day. Diyos ko.
Sabihin mo size ng paa mo.
Bali, sa akin, pag open yung, size 7. Pero pag closed shoes, mga size 8. Alam mo naman yun eh.
Yung sa akin, hindi ko katulad na lang kaya na ate Silihan.
Puro pauwi yung pinili eh.
Ay, ingat ka
Uy,
dyan
Mafi.
ha.
Hindi ko na sasabihin yung kung ano man yun. Ayoko na sabihin na wala yung kakap ng cellphone ko. Baka malungkot
Dito na
siya.
si Daddy. Ha?
Ito siya, oh.
Ito siya. Behave ka dyan. Behave siya dito. Akong bahala. Bubugin natin pagka ng babae.
Ay, kaya lang, katapat niya. May katapat siyang girl.
Bigyan pa siyang girl.
Ganda.
Nakahas kami.
Ang ganda.
Tignan mo.
makinis.
Ayan o.
Nahiya yung girl. Kaya na, Mafi.
May pa-text-text ka pa o. Saan Noel?
Ano ba yan? Si Mafi ba yan? Tinext mo na. Yung Mafi na wala pala yung phone ko. Yun lang yun. Ngayon din ang nangyayari. Bye-bye. Ingat ka dyan. I love you.
Happy first anniversary. Ingat ka dyan lagi.
Ano ba yan? Loser ba?
May mag-iingat ka dyan ha. Oo, tapos ka na namin. Alam mo na yung mga nakalista. Mga pasalubong. Alam mo na yan. Nag-message ako sa'yo.
Listahan naman pasalubong.
Mag-iingat ka lagi. Tapos si Nico, okay naman pala siya kasama. Mas okay siya, syempre. Alam mo na. Kasi mag-iiwan dito, lalo na nandito ako. Ano ba? Kalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko eh. Basta gumag-alala. Maayos naman siya dito eh. Okay, happy anniversary.
There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to find a shorty to hold me down. They say to get to New York, girl, then you gotta have a lot of class. And I heard ain't nothing like a Cali girl, but you better have a lot of cash. And I know ain't nothing like them A-town girls, 'cause they know how to.
Hi Mafi! Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Nico. Ang tagal nyo na. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Namimiss ka na namin. Tiwala lang kay Nico. Tapos magtatagal pa kayo lalo. Kami na bahala sa kanya dito. Ingat ka lagi. Love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.
I'm wishing you were there with me. The simple way you smile, girl, tells me all I need to know. You can be my one and only. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. There's a lot of pretty
kailan lang tayo nag-meet. Mabait ka naman. Mabait din naman niya si Nico. So, dapat mahalin nyo lang isa't isa sa katiwala. Never kayong maglalay. Yun yung number 1. Walang kasinungalingan para tumagal kayo ng sobra. Kami ni Sai, magto 2 months pa lang kami pero for lifetime na yung commitment namin dahil sa, alam mo na yun. Basta lagi kang ingat dyan. Si Nix, kami nang bahala magbantay dyan. Na-update naman kami niya kung ano plano niya. Yun lang. Sige, bye. Ingat.
There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to find a shorty to hold me down. Tell me, is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl?
I'm so indecisive, trying to find a pretty girl that these shoes go nice with. Been around the world.
Hi, Buffy. Happy anniversary. Ngayon, sana magtagal pa kayo. Tapos, mag-aral ka mabuti, magtapos ka. Then, uwi ka na dito. At saka, may balita ako sa'yo. Pagdating mo, kailangan umuwi ka na, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Love you, miss you, bye-bye.
Trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to find a shorty to hold me down. Tell me, is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl?
Happy anniversary. Sana magtagal kayo. Yun na lang. Kayo na bahala. Good luck.
Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Nix. Ingat ka dyan parate kung nasaan ka man. Padalan mo ako. Tapos, yung kay Jana, wala siya eh. Busy sa OJT. Parang ikaw. Tapos, congrats sa inyo ni Nix. Sumabot kayo ng first anniv nyo. Sana magtagal pa. Bye-bye!
Ako si Ryan. Ako yung nag-edit ng video. Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Nico and more powers. Yun lang.
You should know everywhere I go, you're always on my mind, in my heart and in my soul. You know our love was meant to be. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go, you're always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul, baby. You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. I wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me saying, no one needs you more than I need you.
naman dito, kahit ang daming malalandi, okay lang, wala eh. Wala naman. Nasa akin din, pero sa akin wala. Kahit anong flirt nila. Alam mo rin naman kung saan ako pumupunta. Tulasay, Ilacres, dun sa, yung mga ginawa ko past few days ng itong video, yun lang, dun lang ako naging busy. Tsaka yung sa training ko, yun. Inspired niya ako mag-training kasi nandiyan. Ayun. Na-appreciate ko rin yung pagtawag mo sa akin, yung Skype, landline, cellphone, na-appreciate ko yung chika. Pero sana, huwag kang inis, ganun. Kasi ako rin naman eh. Parang sobrang, sobrang, basta, happy at first anime. I love you.
Oh, oh, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. I wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me saying, no one needs you more than I need you. No one needs you more than I need you.
Hi, Mafi. Mahal, princess ako. Asawa ko, sooner. Happy first anniv. Kahit medyo nagkaka-initan tayo madalas. Kasi, lagi kang high blood. Sensitive pagdating sa akin. Kasi, syempre, alam ko, mahal mo ako. Yun. Pero, sana, iwasan natin yun kasi, syempre, girlfriend, boyfriend pa lang, tapos, parang madalas na how much more kung sa isang bahay na. Pero, at least, napag-usapan naman natin, kahit pa paano, gabi, yung walang matutulog sa atin, kahit galit ka, galit ako, gano'n. Walang medyo sumasabay, walang sumasabay yun. Nag-iintindihan na lang din. Tsaka besides, parang, na lang din sa atin yun. Parang, challenge. Walang sumasabay sa galit ng isa kung ikaw galit, gano'n. Tsaka ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Sana ma-appreciate mo. Kasi simple lang. Thank you for understanding. Thank you sa paglaban mo sa akin, sa parents mo, gano'n. Naglalaban mo talaga. And thankful ako, may mga friends ka na andyan. Yun, yung unang video. As friends ko din, kahit kulang, okay lang. Don't care. Kung sino lang yung free. Pero, ayun, simple lang. Ito lang yung video. And wish us all the best. Tsaka, alam mo, hindi ko naman masaselebrate to lang. Ako lang mag-isa. Kailangan dalawa tayo. So, pag-uwi mo, yun natin sa-celebrate. Yung mga ipon natin, pareho, kailangan. So, parang, for the future, sabi nga ni Sai, future nga ang aatupagin. And ito, I have something for you. Medyo simple lang, pero sana ma-appreciate. Ito, I love you. And ito. Actually, boxed up chocolate talaga ito. Kaya lang, alam mo naman, kinain ko nga. Kasi, pag uwi mo, bibili tayo. Celebrate natin. Pero, ito, sa ito. And this one, pag uwi mo lang din, buksan na kayo. Sobrang simple lang, pero sana na-appreciate mo. And, about the disappointments, yung initiative, kawalan ng initiative, tsaka yung ano po ba yun, yung ano talaga, parang yun nga yung lately natin yung pag-awahan yun. Kasi ayun, ang bigat ng distance, pero sana mabago mo rin yung ganun. Kasi ako, lalo na ako, sooner or later tawagin ako pag ano, diba? Pero thank you talaga. Nagtsaga ka kahit alam mo kung mukhang to mukhang ano eh pangit eh, pero thank you, nagtsaga ka for past 11 months. Talagang diba yung mga challenge, wala ka, tatalo tayo, pero andito pa rin tayo, stay strong. And behalf of my family, Daddy, Mommy, Teti Shelly, Kurt, ayun, namimiss ka na rin daw nila, lalo na si Mommy. And nagka-thank you sila sa'yo kasi medyo nabago nga ako. Nagbago na ako sa'yo. Thank you. And I miss you. See you on May 18. Promise, pupunta ako. I love you. Bye-bye.
I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on. Unlike my jewelry that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up my homies, it's on and popping the night, it's meant to be showers. Keep a fadeaway shot, cause we ballin' and spittin' up Patron every hour. Look mama, ow, you just like the flowers. Girl, you the keep with all that pretty flowers.
Okay.
Hi, Maki. Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Nico. Tagal nyo na. Namimiss ka na namin.
Happy anniversary. Sana talagang magtagal pa kayo tapos.
Teka. Galing.
Wala ko to. Kami no. Ayun ko ganyan mo talaga siya kami. Sana ganyan mo siya. Hindi, pero siguro, hindi, mabait mo lang sa mga friends. Sigurado naman. Basta magtiwala ka lang sa kanya, tapos tiwala lang talaga. Kaya mo kami ni Shal. Bago lang kami, pero tingnan mo, saan kami pupunta ngayon? For life na ano na, diba? Parang for life commitment na. For lifetime. Saka yung ano, yung booking yung makita ko doon, yung ano,